Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display total customer review count and shop average rating combined using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display total customer review count with shop average rating. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display total customer review count and shop average rating combined. Now in code you see text average star shop rating and then you see no review yet. So you can customize this text according to your requirement. And then you see echo. By using this echo we are going to display total customer review count. So this is our text. If you want you can customize it. And then you see echo. So by using this echo we are going to display average shop rating. So scroll down, you see insert method shortcode and then you see shortcode. Please save the snippet first. On top inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So scroll down. Now you see shortcode, now copy. So you can add this code where you want to display this. Now go to page and then paste and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to page and refresh the page. Now you see total customer review count 38 we have, and then you see 4.5 by 5 average star rating. This is the shop rating. Now back to dashboard. On left side you see product and then you see review. So open it. Now you see we have 38 review. So when you will receive more reviews, then number count increase auto on front end. Also shop rating also updated when you will receive new review. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.